The Upgrow USB-C to HDMI adapter is a versatile and reliable solution for all your connectivity needs. With its sleek and compact design, this adapter offers a seamless way to connect your devices, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. One of the standout features of this adapter is its compatibility with a wide range of devices, including MacBook Pro and Air, iPad Pro, Pixelbook, XPS, and even Galaxy devices. This versatility makes it an essential accessory for anyone with multiple devices. The adapter supports a 4K resolution at 30 Hz, providing crisp and clear visuals for your presentations, movies, or gaming sessions. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 3 compatibility further enhances its performance, ensuring fast and stable connections. Whether you're a professional on the go or a home user, this adapter simplifies your setup, allowing you to connect your devices effortlessly. Its plug-and-play functionality makes it incredibly user-friendly. Simply connect your USB-C enabled device to the adapter and you're ready to go. No additional software or drivers are required, making it an instant solution for your connectivity needs. The adapter's durability is also noteworthy, ensuring it can withstand frequent use and travel. For those who rely on their devices for work or entertainment, the Upgrow USB-C to HDMI adapter offers a reliable and convenient way to expand your display options. Its compatibility, performance, and ease of use make it a top choice for anyone seeking a hassle-free connection experience. With its ability to transform your workspace or entertainment setup, this adapter is a must-have accessory for modern device users.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.